Pixelcut AI App review. So in this video, we'll be having a review on Pixel AI app. So this same application is available on Apple or Android. You need to simply open up the application, and it's also possible to access that from your computer, browser, whether Mac or Windows. You can access all the AI tools and other tools that this application developer has built right inside. So for any bulk task, if you cannot do it on your mobile or from your phone, you can of course do it from your computer, which I normally do with this application. And the reason I'm reviewing this app is, even though there are similar applications in the market, I find this one as an affordable option with plenty of tools readily available with an AI integration photo editing suite that anyone can easily start. So that is one reason I like this application and thought to recommend it to my audience. So here you can see plenty of templates readily available for you to start with your product, browser or flyers or posters, creation from wedding photos, wedding cards, or your birthday cards or any Instagram post. You will have all of that templates. So you can also customize your templates. You can do so much with this useful application. So it's simply worth the money. So that's it about the Pixelcut AI app. And if you have any questions regarding this Pixelcut AI application, then you can simply comment down on the comment box. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.